Hey there, welcome back to Inspiring Book Summaries. Have you ever met someone who just naturally draws people in? They're charismatic, charming, and everyone seems to love them. Well, today I'm breaking down the book How to Become a People Magnet by Marc Reklau, which reveals practical strategies to help you become one of those people. Let's dive in. This book isn't about manipulation or tricks, it's about genuine human connection. Reklau gives us 62 powerful habits that can transform our relationships, both personally and professionally. First up, the power of first impressions. Studies show that people form an opinion about you within seconds. Reklau advises us to focus on three things: a warm smile, open body language, and eye contact. These small changes make a huge difference in how people perceive you. Next, be genuinely interested in others. Want to make people like you instantly? Show genuine interest in them. Ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and make them feel valued. As Dale Carnegie said in How to Win Friends and Influence People, you can make more friends in 2 months by being interested in them than in 2 years by trying to get them interested in you. Reklau echoes this in his book. Now let's talk about the magic of compliments. Who doesn't love a good compliment? But here's the key: be specific and sincere. Instead of saying "nice job," say "I really admire how creative you were with that presentation." Sincere compliments make people feel appreciated and build stronger connections. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you, it's a mindset. Reklau suggests keeping a gratitude journal and regularly expressing appreciation to others. A simple "I appreciate you" can strengthen relationships and make you more magnetic. Positive energy is contagious. People are naturally drawn to positive, uplifting individuals. Reklau stresses the importance of maintaining an optimistic attitude, smiling often, and avoiding negative talk. Think about it. Would you rather be around someone who complains all the time or someone who radiates good vibes? Kindness is one of the most underrated social skills. Little gestures, like remembering someone's name, holding the door for a stranger, or sending an encouraging message, can make a lasting impression. Reklau reminds us that kindness is magnetic. Great communicators aren't just great talkers, they're great listeners. Reklau shares tips like using open-ended questions, mirroring body language, and adding humor to keep conversations engaging. Confidence is attractive, but it's not about being arrogant. It's about believing in yourself and your worth. Reklau encourages us to practice self-affirmations, step out of our comfort zones, and embrace our strengths. When you feel good about yourself, others will too. So there you have it. The key to becoming a people magnet isn't about tricks. It's about being authentic, kind, and genuinely interested in others. Start applying these habits today and watch your social life transform. All right, let's zoom in on the first critical aspect: first impressions. Studies show that people form an opinion about you within seconds. That's right, in just a few moments, others decide if you're approachable, trustworthy, or even worth their time. So how can you make those precious seconds count? Reklau advises us to focus on three things: a warm smile, open body language, and eye contact. Let's break these down. First, a warm smile. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in your social toolkit. A genuine smile can instantly make you appear friendly and approachable. It's like a universal language of positivity. Next, open body language. This means avoiding crossed arms, slouching, or turning away from the person you're engaging with. Instead, aim to appear relaxed and welcoming. Keep your posture upright, your arms relaxed, and your stance open. This signals to others that you're open to conversation and connection. And lastly, eye contact. Making eye contact shows that you're confident and attentive. But here's the key: don't overdo it. Aim for natural, comfortable eye contact without staring. This helps build trust and makes the other person feel seen and valued. So next time you meet someone new, remember these three tips: a warm smile, open body language, and eye contact. These small changes can make a huge difference in how people perceive you. Now that we've mastered the art of first impressions, let's dive into the next essential skill for becoming a people magnet: showing genuine interest. Want to make people like you instantly? Show genuine interest in them. Here's how you can do it. First, ask thoughtful questions. It's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it. Show curiosity and enthusiasm. Questions like, "What are you passionate about?" Or, "What's the most exciting thing happening in your life right now?" can open up meaningful conversations. Next, listen actively. This means giving your full attention, nodding, and responding appropriately. Avoid interrupting and really focus on what the other person is saying. Active listening shows that you value their thoughts and feelings. Finally, make people feel valued. Simple gestures like remembering their name, mentioning something they shared in a previous conversation, or complimenting them can go a long way. As Dale Carnegie said in How to Win Friends and Influence People, you can make more friends in 2 months by being interested in them than in 2 years by trying to get them interested in you. Marc Reklau echoes this in his book, emphasizing the power of genuine interest in building strong connections. So, next time you're in a social setting, remember to ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and make people feel valued. These simple yet powerful actions can transform your interactions and make you a people magnet. Now that we've discussed the importance of showing genuine interest, let's move on to another powerful tool in your charisma toolkit: sincere compliments. Who doesn't love a good compliment? But here's the key: be specific and sincere. Instead of saying, "Nice job," say, "I really admire how creative you were with that presentation." Sincere compliments make people feel appreciated and build stronger connections. When you give a compliment, make sure it's genuine and specific. This shows that you're paying attention and truly value what the other person has done. For example, if someone has gone above and beyond in a project, you could say, "I was really impressed by how thorough and detailed your report was. It made a big difference to the team." Remember, a heartfelt compliment can brighten someone's day and make them feel seen and valued. It's a simple yet effective way to create instant connections and leave a lasting positive impression. So next time you find yourself in a conversation, don't hold back on giving a sincere compliment. It's a small gesture that can make a big impact. Now that we've explored the power of sincere compliments, let's dive into another game changer in your charisma toolkit: gratitude. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a mindset that can transform your interactions and relationships. Imagine starting your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for in a gratitude journal. This simple practice can shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life, making you more appreciative and happier. When you regularly express appreciation to others, it creates a ripple effect of positivity. Saying, "I appreciate you" to someone can strengthen your relationship and make you more magnetic. It's not just about the words, it's about the genuine emotion behind them. For example, telling a colleague, "I appreciate your hard work on that project, it really made a difference," can boost their morale and create a stronger bond between you. Gratitude makes people feel valued and seen, which in turn makes you more likable and charismatic. So make it a habit to express gratitude in your daily interactions. Whether it's a simple thank you or a heartfelt note, your appreciation can brighten someone's day and enhance your connections. Now that we've discovered the magic of gratitude, let's explore another vital element in your charisma toolkit: positive energy. Positive energy is contagious. People are naturally drawn to positive, uplifting individuals. Imagine walking into a room filled with people. Who would you gravitate towards? Someone who complains all the time or someone who radiates good vibes? Maintaining an optimistic attitude is crucial. Reklau emphasizes the importance of staying positive, smiling often, and steering clear of negative talk. When you radiate positivity, you become a magnet for people who crave that energy. Your smile can light up a room and create an inviting atmosphere. Think about it. When you focus on the good in every situation, you not only uplift yourself but also those around you. Simple practices like starting your day with positive affirmations or surrounding yourself with uplifting people can make a huge difference. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't believe this happened," try saying, "What can I learn from this experience?" This shift in perspective can transform your outlook and make you more resilient and charismatic. So make it a habit to cultivate positive energy in your daily life. Whether it's through a genuine smile, a kind word, or simply choosing to see the brighter side of things, your positive energy can create a ripple effect of joy and connection. Now that we've delved into the magic of positive energy, let's uncover another vital yet often overlooked element in your charisma toolkit: kindness. Kindness is one of the most underrated social skills, yet its impact is profound. Imagine this: little gestures like remembering someone's name, holding the door for a stranger, or sending an encouraging message can make a lasting impression. These small acts of kindness don't just brighten someone else's day, they also elevate your own charisma. Reklau reminds us that kindness is magnetic. When you show genuine kindness, people are naturally drawn to you. They feel appreciated, valued, and respected. This creates a positive feedback loop where your kindness fosters goodwill and strengthens your social connections. Think about it. How do you feel when someone goes out of their way to show you kindness? It leaves a lasting impact, doesn't it? Now imagine being that person for others. By making kindness a habit, you become a beacon of positivity and warmth. So the next time you have the opportunity to show kindness, seize it. Whether it's a simple smile, a heartfelt compliment, or a small act of generosity, your kindness can create a ripple effect that touches many lives. Now that we've explored the underrated power of kindness, let's transition to another crucial aspect of charisma: effective communication. Great communicators aren't just great talkers, they're great listeners. Reklau shares some valuable tips to elevate your communication game. One of the most effective strategies is using open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try asking questions that invite more detailed responses. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" ask, "What was the highlight of your day?" This encourages deeper conversation and shows genuine interest in the other person. Another powerful tool is mirroring body language. Subtly matching the posture, gestures, and facial expressions of the person you're speaking with can create a sense of harmony and understanding. It makes the other person feel more comfortable and connected to you. And let's not forget the magic of humor. Adding a touch of humor to your conversations can lighten the mood and make interactions more enjoyable. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. A simple joke or a lighthearted comment can go a long way. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. It's not just about expressing your thoughts clearly, but also about listening actively and making the other person feel heard and valued. By mastering these communication techniques, you'll find it easier to connect with others and leave a lasting impression. Now that we've mastered the art of effective communication, let's delve into another vital aspect of charisma: confidence. Confidence is undeniably attractive, but it's important to note that it's not about being arrogant. It's about believing in yourself and recognizing your worth. According to Reklau, practicing self-affirmations can significantly boost your confidence. Start your day by reminding yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. Positive self-talk can shift your mindset and set a powerful tone for the day. Another key element is stepping out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to take on new experiences and face your fears head-on. Whether it's striking up a conversation with a stranger or taking on a new project at work, each small step builds your confidence. Embracing your strengths is equally important. Everyone has unique talents and qualities that make them special. Celebrate your achievements and don't be afraid to showcase what you're good at. When you feel good about yourself, others will naturally be drawn to you. Remember, confidence isn't about perfection. It's about authenticity. People are more likely to connect with you when you are genuine and comfortable in your own skin. So stand tall, speak with conviction, and let your inner light shine. By cultivating confidence, you're not only enhancing your charisma, but also inspiring others to believe in themselves. If you found these tips helpful, share it with someone who could use a confidence boost. So there you have it. The key to becoming a people magnet isn't about tricks. It's about being authentic, kind, and genuinely interested in others. Start applying these habits today and watch your social life transform. Remember, the journey to becoming more charismatic is ongoing. Each step you take not only improves your connections with others, but also enhances your relationship with yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more self-improvement content. Let me know in the comments, what's one social skill you'd like to improve? Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video.